Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Friday, February 14th, 2025. I guess it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. So what I'm always making adjustments to see what's happening on the charts. And I never like to make any abrupt shifts, and this is not one of those. It really is everything I've been saying now for the last few weeks, which is to say, you've got this band of channel resistance, was support before we gapped below it on DeepSeek news. We've rallied back up to it. This is still a sell opportunity. You can see I've got 136.13. This is the daily chart, the bottom channel. Now the inside channel we have yet to retest. That is at 138.44, and I'm throwing in this descending channel top at 142.42 for safekeeping. That is to say, it is a settlement above 142.42 that I see as our upward pivot point, and this area is narrowing. Don't worry, I'm not going to keep raising the bar. I did in this situation. We've been talking really, upper 130s as our primary resistance area, 142.42, low 140s. This is the last shoe to drop, if you will, on a buy signal into March trade. If we close above 142.42, which I think is a long shot today, then we push into the upper 160s and climbing within about, 2 to 3 weeks. Until then, this is the zone to sell short. 138.44, 142.42, narrowing daily. It all comes together over the next few days into a single point. This is the area to sell in anticipation of bearish rotation over the next 3 to 5 weeks still back into the 105 handle. So we don't have a sell signal on weakness at this point in time. That would actually come if we were to close today, for instance, back below 129 even. That's a level we bumped up to a session containment level from 136.13, which is that lower channel. We can top out here on an intraday basis, and below 136.13, this market can ease back possibly today to 129 even. 129 even, is it a 3 to 5 day swing trade back to the upside? I don't think so. Why? Because we have just recently been testing meaningful resistance. I think this market is now prone to bearish rotation. Bearish rotation, yes, over the next 3 to 5 weeks back to 105.63, but over the next few days back to 129 even. And I would cover a short position here, not an entire short position, but if you're kind of a 1 to 3 day swing trader, you can cover a short position here. If you're a 2 to 3, 3 to 5 week position trader, you can cover some of a short there, take some profits at 129 even. If we close below 129 even, I see a full unwinding back to 114.50, which is that 5/8 Fibonacci that held a couple of weeks ago, onward all the way south, once again to the 105.63 channel bottom. And it is sort of like that. It is stair step. But if you're selling 138.44 to 142.42, your next sell signal on weakness is below 129 even. So I guess what I'm saying is if you're reluctant to sell strength in the 138.44 to 142.42 region and you want to see weakness following that, that would be a settlement then below 129 even. And if that happens today, that is a go with. Over the next week or two, back to 114.50. And over the next 3 to 5 weeks, we're expecting, the 105 handle support anyway. 105.63 is on the weekly chart, as I've been saying, is at, I can't find it right now, but it's also in the 105 handle. Once again, if we close today above 142.42, that presents a buy signal. We've got mid 160s. We haven't charted it yet, but it's up here. I've been waiting to see if we're going to push through here or not. And if we do, it is a mid 160s objective. That is our next trouble spot on the chart, closing above 142.42, 2 to 3 week buy signal into the mid 160s. Until then, this is the zone to sell short. Sell short down to 129 even over the next 2 to 3 days, down to 114.50 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and yes, all the way back into the 105 handle by the end of March. I think that pretty much covers it. By the way, on On Thursday, we put out a stock pick on Fudu Holdings. That is a financial technology company. Earlier in the week on Tuesday, Super Microcomputer. We put out a stock pick there. You can see it all for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, etc., at no cost to you. So check us out at wickedstocks.com. I'll be back Monday afternoon with Tuesday's NVIDIA. We've got a long weekend, President's Day weekend, so we won't be back until Monday afternoon with Tuesday's NVIDIA report. You have a great weekend.